Hey, hello friends, welcome back to British Cooking Show. So today we are back with another new and fresh recipe. So what we are going to show them, Mama?
Prawns garlic chili dish.
Yes, so today we are going to show you prawn, garlic, chili. And yeah folks, this is one of the easiest recipes to prepare, and if you have all the ingredients ready, you can just prepare this recipe in 5 minutes, right Mama?
Yeah.
And it's simple as that folks. And yeah folks, if you are new to our channel, do hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and do share it with your friends, so it will help us to create more videos. As you can see here folks, here there are some of the ingredients which are required to prepare a prawns garlic chili. So let's see one by one what are those ingredients. So firstly, here we have half kg of prawns, or roughly there are 20 of them. Here we have 2 Asian onions which are finely chopped, 6 green chilies finely chopped, 1 pot of garlic, or roughly we can say 20 garlic flakes finely chopped, 1 cup of spring onion. In this spring onion there is bulb as well as the springs, and here we have a little bit of spring onion for the garnishing at the end. So over here we have 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. So what we have done is, with the help of the mortar, we have crushed 3 dry red chilies to chili flakes, and this is the fresh chili flakes, not the processed one we get in the market. So this is how we can prepare the red chili flakes at home. It's simple as that. And these are the ingredients which is required to prepare the prawn garlic chili. Just note it down folks. And now next, let's see how to prepare the sauce for the prawn garlic chili. And now to prepare the sauce, let's take a small cup, and to this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon of oyster sauce, or what we call fish sauce. Wow, look at that folks, it looks colorful, right? For me it looks like cappuccino, Mama, the design what you have done. I was just kidding. And now to this goes 3 teaspoons of fresh water. Yes, perfect. And now let's stir it nice and thoroughly, so that all the sauces what we added, let it get mixed up nice and evenly. And yeah folks, now the sauce is ready, all the ingredients are ready. Without further ado, let's start preparing prawn garlic chili. So first, let's light the gas stove and let's place the wok on the stove. And now the next step is to fry the prawn, right Mama?
Yeah.
So now we are going to add little bit of oil.
Shallow fry.
Yes, so we are not going to deep fry the prawn, we are just going to shallow fry. And now on medium flame, let's place the prawn in the wok one by one. So when you start adding the prawn to the wok, the prawn contains moisture, a lot of moisture within it. So when you start adding the prawn into the oil, it starts popping it out. I mean, the oil starts scattering everywhere. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. And now the prawns are in the wok. Let it get fried on medium flame slowly. And now folks, it's been a minute, and now it's time to flip the prawns. As you can see over here, we are not going to add anything to the prawn. Just prawn itself goes into the oil. And as you can see over here, can you show the Mama? The prawn has turned slight pinkish white, which means it has been fried partially. And now it takes another 2 to 3 minutes to fry it completely. And now folks, it's been around 3 minutes and the prawns has been fried. So if you ask me, how will I come to know whether the prawns has cooked or not? So once you are done adding the prawns will be in pinkish in color. So when it starts cooking it up, it will slightly change its texture from pink to pinkish white. As you can see over here, all the prawns has turned from pink into the pinkish white, which means the prawns has been cooked properly. And now let's remove the prawns, mama. See, now the prawns started popping it up. If you cook it even more beyond this point, then the prawns will get burnt, which won't be nice for the prawn garlic chili. To this we are going to add little bit of oil, and now to this let's transfer one pot of finely chopped garlic. Ho 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 ho! Check it out, folks. Now we have added the garlic. The garlic has been finely chopped with the help of the chopper. Wow! And now let's saute. And now to this let's transfer the chili, and now let's saute. Once the green chili starts releasing the raw flavor, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. And now folks, the chili has been fried, and to this goes the onion. And now let's fry the onion. And now once the onions are fried, here goes the sauce which we had prepared it earlier. Just give it a stir so that all the sauces get mixed up properly, and this sauce goes into this oak, and look how creamy it looks. And now let's saute. Oh, it's too hot. And now to this goes a little bit of salt as per your taste. Here you are the judge for the salt. And now let's saute. Wow. And now folks, once you are done adding the sauce, here goes the crispy fried prawns into the wok. Oh ho ho ho. Check it out, how beautiful it looks. And now we need to blend the the masala we prepared with the prawns. Wow. Just give a quick stir so that the masala should get infused to the prawns. And now here goes the chili flakes. With the help of the mortar, we have pounded the chili to make it red chili flakes. Oh. And now last but not least, here goes 1 cup of spring to the prawns. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. It looks very greenish. And now let's give a quick stir. Wow, wow, wow. And now folks, let's transfer the prawn garlic chili into this serving bowl. Wow, look at that folks. It's just wow. The aroma that's coming out from the prawn garlic chili is quite amazing. I can't wait to hog it up folks. And check this out. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow, 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 yum.